Welcome to 360 Boost's channel. We're excited to have you with us as we explore the groundbreaking AI trends of 2024 based on Thomas Dietrich's insights. Have you ever pondered, what if the machines we create could not only think but learn, adapt, and even predict? This is the age of artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, marked by remarkable evolution. We are witnessing AI in action. Its capabilities are expanding, its applications are broadening, and its effect is reaching corners we never thought it could. Its influence is expanding in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. What do you think about the growth and potential of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. First on our list, we explore the integrated impact and advancement of AI. AI is revolutionizing various domains with its breakthroughs. Deep learning, along with large language models, LLMs, are making remarkable progress. Additionally, computer vision and natural language processing are not far behind. These advances are affecting widespread changes across multiple sectors. Sectors such as healthcare, retail, transportation, and entertainment are being transformed. They are transforming industries, from healthcare to retail, and from transportation to entertainment. Next, we delve into the comprehensive analysis of advanced models like GPT-4. These models are continuously evolving, becoming intricate, and their understanding and application are crucial. They pose certain challenges which must be addressed promptly. They play a pivotal role in fields like natural language processing and computer vision, where their reliability is key. As these models become more complex and sophisticated, ensuring their reliable application in fields like natural language processing and computer vision becomes paramount. Thirdly, we underscore the emphasis on AI system robustness and testing. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent in high-stakes applications across many sectors, from healthcare to automotive, from finance to defense. The implications of AI system failures can be vast and costly. Therefore, the necessity for robust AI systems that can efficiently recognize and adapt to unforeseen scenarios is highly critical. These systems should be extensively tested and primed to tackle unexpected situations, ensuring reliability and safety. As AI finds its way into high-stakes applications, the need for robust AI systems that can recognize and adapt to novel situations is more critical than ever. Fourth, we delve into uncertainty quantification in AI models. This aspect is increasingly gaining significance as AI progressively assumes a greater share of decision-making responsibilities. Uncertainty quantification involves understanding, quantifying, and managing the uncertain elements present in these models. This is particularly important in fields such as computer vision and natural language processing, NLP. As AI continues to develop, this will become even more essential. Looking forward, we observe AI's progression into various areas. This technology is breaking through old boundaries, penetrating areas that we wouldn't have thought possible a few years ago. It's reaching fields like environmental sustainability, ecology, climate change, and resource management. These sectors are greatly benefiting from the inclusion of AI. They leverage the technology's strengths, like computer vision and natural language processing, to their advantage. Moving forward to our sixth point, we delve into the future with a focus on retrieval augmented generation research. AI stands on the brink of revolutionizing our perception and comprehension of the world. It's gearing up to make substantial strides in code generation and structured object creation. We cannot overlook the remarkable progress in computer vision and NLP. But before we proceed, let's take a moment to reflect. We're halfway through our list of AI trends. Which trend has amazed you the most so far? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the 360 Boost channel to continue receiving more insights like these. Seventh, we examine the trend towards open source models and data in AI. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the dominion of artificial intelligence is expanding. The surge of open source models is a key player in this progress, fostering a climate of cooperation that greatly aids the development of AI research. It's a catalyst for democratizing access to AI technologies, breaking down barriers, and integrating a global community of AI enthusiasts and professionals. Importantly, it also provides a platform for accelerated innovation. It's a democratized, collaborative, and rapidly evolving AI frontier. This shift is fostering collaborative improvements and analysis in AI research, democratizing access and accelerating innovation. Eighth, we explore the enhanced application of AI in sensor networks for environmental monitoring, predictive maintenance, and climate and ecological data analysis. Here, AI is a key player, not just a tool, in perceiving and interpreting our surroundings. It's utilized in intricate sensor networks, and it's bolstering our environmental monitoring capabilities. Progress in predictive maintenance is seen, with AI predicting potential malfunctions. It's also revolutionizing how we interpret climate and ecological data, making the data analysis more accurate. AI is becoming the eyes and ears of our planet, helping us understand and respond to environmental changes. Ninth, we discuss AI's increasing role in addressing global challenges. Artificial intelligence, better known as AI, has truly become a cornerstone of our technologically advanced society. It's being utilized in a myriad of ways to tackle some of the biggest issues we as a world face today. From evaluating patterns in climate data to preemptively identifying potential crisis points in disaster-prone areas, AI is revolutionizing our approach to problem solving. Its power lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, facilitating accurate predictions and strategic planning. This technology is not only instrumental in our fight against climate change, but it is also becoming increasingly crucial in our ability to predict and respond to natural disasters across the globe. AI is playing a pivotal role in predictive modeling and promoting sustainable practices. 10th, we spotlight the challenges inherent in novelty detection and adaptation within the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. This highlights the importance of developing AI systems capable of identifying and adjusting to novel situations. Unpredictability is a key aspect of many environments, requiring AI systems to continually evolve and adapt. In the realm of AI, this adaptability is not only beneficial but essential. The agility to accommodate new, unforeseen scenarios becomes vital, especially considering dynamic environments that demand quick responses and intelligent adaptation. Ensuring AI systems can effectively handle these changes is a key area of focus, especially in dynamic environments. Finally, we take a moment to contemplate the moral and social impacts of AI advancements. Artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of our existence. Therefore, ensuring its development is carried out responsibly is paramount. Addressing the inherent biases in AI systems is crucial. Moreover, highlighting the societal benefits AI can bring is equally essential. As AI deepens its roots in our lives, ensuring responsible AI development, addressing biases, and focusing on AI's societal benefits become increasingly important. That's a wrap on the AI trends of 2024. 2024 has indeed marked a turning point in the realm of AI, with remarkable innovations in AI and deep learning taking center stage. Such breakthroughs have turned the once unthinkable into reality. AI is now an indispensable tool in addressing global challenges, ceaselessly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and application of AI. One thing is certain, the future of AI isn't a distant dream anymore. It's here, and it's reshaping our world. You found this content enriching and captivating. If so, remember to hit the for more from 360 boost. Until our next rendezvous, stay curious and keep exploring.
Join us as we delve further into the thrilling world. What's your prediction for the next groundbreaking development? Share your insights below. Remember to hit that subscribe button on 360 Boost's channel to take part in our polls. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay part of our ongoing discussion. What's your perspective on the future of the world and human beings? Let's dissect this together.